Hello, my name is Ellie from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to be showing you around this 2014 plate MG3 style. In Arctic White, this car has done just 42,525 and features full service history. The car is in excellent condition, and from the inside here you can see it's got the cloth seats with the red styling. You've also got the Bluetooth connectivity with the multi-function steering wheel, automatic lights and DAB radio and aircon. Just coming around to the back of the vehicle, you can see we've got the added benefit of rear parking sensors as well. If you do have any questions on the car at all or would like to book a test drive, please feel free to give us a call on 01323 898818, or feel free to visit our website as well.